The president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, has congratulated the rector and the management team of Federal Polytechnic, Daura State for their commitment to transforming the image of the college in a grand style. Professor Israr made the commendation in a goodwill message he presented at the second matriculation ceremony in the institution held on Tuesday, the 21st of March 2023. He lauded the management of the college for their commitment and achieving academic excellence, saying the Polytechnic would soon join the league of the leading institutions in the country. While wishing the matriculated students God guidance and prosperity in all their future endeavors, Professor Israr charged them to work hard in order to realize their dreams in life. Professor Israr also congratulated the entire college community and the committee that rolled out the plan for the wonderful event, praying the ceremony to be the beginning of their greater things to come in the college. In a remark, the Rector of Federal Polytechnic Daura, Professor Aliyu Mamman, expressed immense gratitude to all the important dignitaries that graced the occasion. Professor Mamman, who particularly commended the president of MAAUN for attending the occasion, said the university has played a significant role in the development of the college. He prayed for the journey mercies to all the attendees who, despite their busy schedule, find it expedient to attend the occasion.